This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by isolating the problem. Reboot into safe mode so third-party apps are disabled and ads stop popping. Next, run a quick malware scan with a reputable AV app and note any flagged packages. While you're in safe mode, go to Settings, right arrow Apps and sort by recent installs. You want to remove apps added just before symptoms began. Once done, back up important data so you can restore if anything goes wrong during removal. Now you dig deeper to remove persistent adware. Clear all browser caches and site data, and delete unknown search engines or extensions so ad redirects stop. Go to Security, right arrow Device Admin and revoke admin rights from suspicious apps before uninstalling them. Otherwise, they will reinstall. If an app resists removal, use ADB or a trusted removal tool to uninstall its package or disable its service. Make sure to reboot. Finish by restoring normal operation and hardening the device. If ads persist after thorough cleaning, perform a factory reset and set up the phone fresh. Only restore apps selectively. Change passwords for Google and linked accounts and enable two-step verification to prevent reintroduction. Make sure to reinstall apps from Play Store only and monitor for reappearance. If problems continue, check boot logs, retest in safe mode, and consider professional removal services as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.